If you've ever researched a new 3D printer, you've probably seen this debate: Bowden versus Direct Drive. Some people say Bowden is faster. Others claim Direct Drive produces better prints. So who's right? And which system should you choose? In this video, we'll compare Bowden and Direct Drive extruders, explain how they work, and help you decide which setup fits your printing style. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. Now, let's start. What is a Bowden extruder? In a Bowden setup, the extruder motor is mounted away from the hot end. Filament travels through a PTFE tube before reaching the nozzle. Advantages: lighter print head, less moving mass, potentially higher speeds, reduced ringing on older printers. This design became extremely popular on printers like the Ender 3. The trade-off: the filament must travel a long distance through the tube. That creates flexibility and delay in extrusion response. What is a direct drive extruder? With direct drive, the extruder motor is mounted directly above the hot end. The filament path is very short. Advantages: faster extrusion response, better retraction control, easier flexible filament printing, more precise extrusion. The filament has less room to bend, compress, or stretch. This gives the system greater control. Retraction performance. One of the biggest differences is retraction. Bowden, typical retraction, 4 to 8 millimeters, because filament compresses inside the tube. Direct drive, typical retraction, 0.5 to 2 millimeters, because the filament path is much shorter. Result: less stringing, faster tuning, more consistent extrusion. Direct drive usually wins this category. Flexible filaments. Want to print TPU, TPE, soft, flexible materials? Direct drive has a huge advantage. Why? Flexible filament behaves like a spring. In a Bowden tube, it can compress, buckle, and bind. This makes printing difficult. Direct drive keeps the filament under much better control. For TPU, direct drive is often the preferred choice. Motion and speed performance. Bowden systems have a lighter tool head. That means less inertia, less vibration, potentially higher acceleration. Historically, Bowden printers were favored for speed. However, modern lightweight direct drive systems have reduced this gap significantly. With today's printers, speed differences are often much smaller than they used to be. Print quality comparison. For most materials, both systems can produce excellent results, but direct drive often provides more consistent extrusion, better pressure control, and cleaner retractions, especially on complex models with many small details. Bowden can still achieve fantastic quality when properly tuned. The difference is usually more noticeable in difficult prints. Maintenance and reliability. Bowden. Pros: simpler moving assembly, easier access to hot end. Cons: tube wear, coupler wear, more retraction tuning. Direct drive. Pros: simpler filament path, better material compatibility. Cons: heavier tool head, slightly more moving mass. Both can be reliable when maintained properly. Which one should you choose? Choose Bowden if you mostly print PLA, you want a simple setup, you already own a Bowden printer, you prioritize lightweight motion. Choose Direct Drive if you print TPU, you want easier tuning, you frequently switch materials, you want maximum extrusion control. Pro tip: Many users upgrade to Direct Drive expecting instant quality improvements. The truth is, printer calibration, cooling, and slicer settings often matter more than the extruder type. A well-tuned Bowden printer can outperform a poorly tuned Direct Drive printer. Focus on tuning first. Bowden and Direct Drive both have strengths. Bowden offers lower moving mass, simplicity, and proven reliability. Direct Drive offers better control, easier flexible filament printing, more responsive extrusion. Neither system is universally better. The best choice depends on what you print most often. If you found this video helpful, share, like, and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.